Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce the Carplay and Android Auto on this head unit. This unit special for food old years like Kuga, Focus, and so on for old years. Okay. Let me introduce. If you use head unit, please take out this screen protector. Okay, take out this screen protector. Let me check. You can choose the time, and you can choose logo. Check the setting. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Ford logo. Okay, you can change this button color. Okay, let me show this adapter, Android Auto and Carplay. Okay. You can check this user menu. This is Android Auto, and this is iPhone Carplay. Okay. This is adapter. You can buy this adapter from our website. You can check AutoKit's USB adapter. This is 2 USB. Okay. And you need the original cable. And install AutoKit application. There is 2 USB cable. This is USB driver. Let me connect USB. Okay, it will play music automatically. You can let me check the settings. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back the home. This home button. Okay. Let me install AutoKit application. You can download from our website. This AutoKit. Install AutoKit application. Okay, let me open. Please reload. You can check this plug and play, and the settings working mode for speed and compatible. You can, if speed doesn't work, you can choose compatible. Okay, let me show. Let me return. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, please install Android Auto from your phone. This Android Auto. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check this. Our phone is Galaxy S8 Plus. Software information you can check. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, Oreo system. Okay. This cable from Samsung, original cable Samsung. Okay, one connects this USB adapter Okay, this connects our USB cable. When you connect it, it will show the below apps AutoKit to USB device. Please click OK and click OK. Okay. When you put the USB cable on USB ports from your phone, okay, it shows connecting. Okay, it shows the Android Auto. Okay, let me unplug. You can choose unplug. Okay. Let me check. You can check this as working model is compatible. You can choose the speed. Already choose the speed when connecting. It show connecting. It show Android, but head unit doesn't display. So you need to connect the working model with compatible. Let me choose compatible. Okay. When you connect it, it's connecting. It show Android Auto and working with Android Auto. Okay, this is Android Auto. You can play music from okay, you can play music from Google Play Music, Pandora, and Spotify. This button only works the factory music. Okay, return. This is home screen. Okay, that's all. Let me introduce the Carplay. Okay, this is my guide. This iPhone. iPhone, you can check. This is XS. Okay. Let me open the phone. Let me check the settings. You must enable and connect Siri. This is enable. Okay. Let me check the software. This phone already ran iOS 12.1 version. iOS 12.1 version. Okay. Okay. Let me introduce cable from Apple. Please, you must use your original cable from Apple. Okay, you can check this USB cable from Apple. This connects USB adapter, Carplay adapter. Okay. This connects USB ports. Show connecting. Okay, it's work Carplay. Okay, you can. There is a home screen. You can use maps. Okay. You can make phone call and music and other. You can play video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you just contact to us, Belsee. Telephone number and email address. You can visit our website to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.